Welcome. Here we are again for the second part. We have already covered the vocabulary, yes, to speak about the different parts of the vending machine. Let's see how to explain how to use it. So here we go. Let's remember some concepts first. The concept of objective pronoun. Remember that we have the subjective pronouns when you use them as subjects of your sentences. I, you, he, she, they live somewhere or somewhere. When you put the words in this as subjects of the sentences. Now, if you need to put a person in the position of an object, yes, you give a cup. In Spanish we say le doy una taza a él, o te doy una taza, o les doy. How do we do that in English? Yes, we have the objective pronouns, me, him, her. Attention here, you have two positions. If you put it there, you have to include the preposition to. So you give a cup to me, to him, to her. Or possibility two, you give me a cup. You give him, her, or them a cup. Yes? So you have the objective pronouns in two possible positions. We have already covered this, but just in case, to refresh the concept. Okay, let's give a look at this structure. Not difficult. This is what you find in the book. Yes, so we have Bill forgot how to fix the car. In the past, he knew how to fix it. He forgot how to fix the car, how to do something, how to fix the car. Similar to Spanish. Cómo arreglar. And we need the verb in infinitive. Yes? Now, suppose that I want to include a person. So, Bill told a person. We need the pronoun. So we are going to put the pronoun there. Bill told me how to fix the car. Or Bill told him how to fix the car. Okay, so we put the pronoun there in that position. We have lots of verbs that we can use in this position of the sentence. Show. Yes, I show you how to use this structure. I tell you. Or verbs without the pronoun. I remember how to use this structure. Yes, I do. Yes, I remember how to use this. Yes. I ask someone how to do something. So this is important to remember, the structure. Yes. Repeat it in your head. Make sentences of your own. Let's practice together. Let's practice together. What is this man's problem? He's in front of the machine. No se acuerda cómo usar la máquina. Se olvidó cómo usar la máquina. What do we say that in English? Yes, if you need, you can pause the video and think and then check the answer. He forgot how to use the machine. How to use the machine. Yes, good. One more. Again, you can pause the video and think. Why is he so happy? Because he found out how to repair the washing machine. Yes. From the inside. One more. Again, pause the video if you want. What is mom doing? Be careful, we are making it a little bit more difficult. Mom is teaching the girl, her, how to use the microwave. Yes. Okay, I put it in the past to practice. The woman taught her how to use the microwave oven. Good. One more. What is the girl doing? I think I put it in the past. So what did the girl do? The girl showed him how to use Mercado Pago. Good. Yes. Obviously, practice and practice. Go to the book and complete all of the exercises. Let's go on to the second part, when you have to give instructions. Ask for and give instructions. So let's start by asking for instructions. How do I do this? How do you do this? Same thing. Yes, it depends on you. What is the best way to do this? I will show you how to do this. And I will need some connectors. First, then next, finally, lastly. Yes? Let's give a look at an example. I took this from WikiHow. WikiHow is a fantastic web page teaching you on how to use different things or how to do different things. So, operating a vending machine. First, you find the price and the code for the item that you want. Next, you insert the coin in the slot. Yes? Or if it is a newer machine and you've got a credit card, you swipe your credit card. Then you type in the code. Remember that first you look at the code? Okay, now you type in the code and press the button. Finally, you check the coin chute just in case you have some coin return and pick up the item from the tray. Good. All right, prepare for next class to speak about instructions on how to do different things. You will find lots of examples in the book and the platform. So see you in class. Good work.